Have you ever said, I want that you go to the store? In English, this sounds pretty weird, but that is the literal translation of quiero que vayas a la tienda in Spanish. That's because we have something cooler, the present subjunctive. Today, we're diving into the magical world of the present subjunctive in Spanish, the tense that makes your Spanish sound so much more natural and advanced. We'll break it down step by step with fun examples and practice exercises. Ready? Vamos! But what is the present subjunctive? The present subjunctive expresses wishes, doubts, emotions, recommendations, and hypothetical situations. Think of it as the maybe and I hope tense in English. For example, espero que vengas. This sentence expresses a wish. I hope you can. Creo que se le olvidó. And this expresses hypothetical situations. I think he forgot. Quick tip. If you hear que and the sentence is about a wish, doubt, or feeling, the subjunctive is probably coming next. But how to form it? Start with the subject, then drop the ending, and add opposite endings. Use this table. For example, let's take the verb hablar, to speak, and the subject yo, I. Hablar in the present tense is yo hablo. Then drop the O and add the corresponding ending, in this case, the letter E. The result, yo hable. Let's see the same verb hablar, but conjugated in all the subjects, with some example sentences. Yo hable. Sería bueno que yo hable. Tú hables. La gente amaría que tú hables. This sentence is a hypothetical situation. Él o ella. Él hable. Me alegra que él hable. This phrase has emotions. Nosotros hablemos. Espero que nosotros hablemos. This sentence is a wish. Ellos y ustedes. Ellos hablen. Yo no sé. ¿Que ellos hablen sería mejor? This sentence expresses a doubt. Now, try your skills with the next exercise. Use the table we saw before and come back to compare your answers. Change the verb comer to eat into the subjunctive for yo. Buen trabajo. Yo coma. And you can use it in phrases like creo que es mejor que yo coma vegetales. Now practice with me. I'll say a sentence in English and you try to say it in Spanish with the subjunctive. I want you to eat. Bien hecho. Quiero que comas. I hope she speaks. Buen trabajo. Espero que ella hable. I recommend you study. Bien. Te recomiendo que estudies. Buen trabajo. Awesome job today. The present subjunctive might seem tricky at first, but remember, with practice, you'll sound super natural in Spanish. Remember, wishes, doubts, emotions, subjunctive time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and share this video with your Spanish learning friends. Te recomiendo que veas la última clase aquí. Hasta pronto.